Hi guys, my name is Noura, accounting and tax professional and the founder of Noura's Books. I help nonprofit organizations increase funding to surpass $5 million with efficient process and regulatory compliance. I also help nonprofit consultants increase cash flow using tax strategies. Today I want to talk to you about estimated taxes. What is estimated taxes and why would you worry about it, and do you need to worry about it? Who should pay it? When should you pay it? And how to pay it. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to pay your estimated taxes. I'm going to show you one way. If that way does not work for you, then you can get into the tutorial I made for you, a free course. It has all other different ways. If the way I'm going to show you in this video does not work for you, make sure you sign up for that totally free tutorial and learn more on how to pay your estimated taxes. You should worry about estimated taxes if you think your employer do not withhold enough taxes from your paycheck and you might owe a lot of taxes at the end of the year. If you do not have enough withholding, you might face penalty and interest. So it is your responsibility to make sure you have enough withholding. If you are on 1099 or if you are a freelancer, business owner, it is more important because there is no one to withhold your taxes, and it's totally your responsibility to make sure you can withhold enough taxes for you not to face any penalty at the end of the year when you file for the last tax year. So why do we have to worry about estimated taxes? IRS have this option for all of us taxpayers, whether we are entities, whether we are individuals, any US person in the language of the IRS, you need to make sure you have enough taxes paid for the tax year. IRS do not want to wait, so you have to estimate and see if you're gonna be okay. And it's much easier to do that when you have tax planning. So it will be an easy task for you. But you don't have to do tax planning in order to see how much estimated taxes you have to pay. You have to go through a form from the IRS website and do the exercise. Take into consideration your entire family, especially if you are married and you're gonna file jointly. Even if you file separately, there's like certain rules that you have to follow. So you have to know your entire situation and you have to estimate and see how much income are you expecting to make by the end of the year, and then based on that you divide it into 4 quarters and you make those payments. We already passed the first 2, and now what we have left is the 3rd and 4th quarter. For the 3rd quarter, it is due on September 15, and for the 4th quarter, it's not until January. This is the last time you have to worry about paying your estimated taxes for this year, but not for the full year. You know, technically you still have to do more, but you're not gonna have to worry about paying that until January. Sometimes some people have a large tax bill, but they don't know this might be also reflecting penalty and interest, but no one tells them that because they didn't withhold enough taxes or they didn't worry about estimated taxes during the year. But sometimes the tax professional might be so busy to let you know this is the case. So it's your responsibility to see and ask and to get your education. Right now, actually, in this age, like, you do not have to wait for someone to tell you. There's like a lot of content, a lot of free content. You can learn and see what do you have to worry about. And if you need more tax knowledge, more what to do about your business, nonprofit, personal taxes, or how should you manage, what to expect from the IRS, make sure you subscribe to my channel here and hit the like button. Also, the bell so you can be notified when I have free content. I'm trying to be consistent, but whatever content I have, short, like if I go live on social media, my team goes ahead and they are so good about this, they put those on YouTube. So make sure you watch all of these content and let me know if you have something that you would like to see, you need some more information about. I would love to talk to you about it. I'm all about educating you so you can have better financing, better tax planning, so you don't have to pay unnecessary taxes, you don't have to pay unnecessary penalty. Let me know in the comments. Now I'll take you step by step to show you one of the methods on how to make your estimated taxes payment. And if you need to know more methods, if this one does not work for you, then make sure to sign up for my free class on demand so you can watch it as soon as you sign up. Learn more about it. I'll talk to you soon. The first payment method is to pay with your bank account. And this only works for individuals. So you can go on the irs.gov /payment. So this is the website, and this page you can go to pay with direct pay, and from here you go to make payments, and then you just select from the drop down menu estimated taxes, and you want to select this is the only option and then the current tax year. We are now in 2022. This is why there's no other option here. Then you're gonna hit continue and just follow instructions. You want to say tax year verification, you want to say the same year, well, and then filing status. It's necessary to know what's your filing status. So if you're single, currently, maybe at the end of the year, not single anymore, who knows? But for now, you do what you know for now. And then you put your name, social security number, date of birth, country, where are you at, and then everything, and then you just go continue and just follow the instructions from here. I don't want to put confidential information, but it's pretty straightforward. You just follow the instructions and make your payments. I just put the steps here so to make it easier for you to follow. And then when you go further, they will ask you to verify your identity. They'll ask you a few questions and you answer those questions, and then you make the authorization for the ACH debt debited from your bank account. That is what you actually have to do. It's just like straightforward, follow the instructions and you'll be able to make it. So when you do direct payment, you can actually look up that payment and see what is the status. And let me just go back to that just to show you how it looks like. So you go to the same website, irs.gov/payment, and then from this page you select pay now with direct pay. And then instead of make a payment, you want to go to look up payment just to see your payment status. And then you put the confirmation number. This is the confirmation you received when you made the payment, and then the social security, and then look up payment, and you should know the status of your payments. So this method is available most of the dates. Only few hours on Sunday it's not going to be available. 7 a.m. until 11:45 p.m. Eastern time it's going to be available. Pros and cons for this method. Payment can be done online. Schedule the payment the entire year. You can change, cancel anytime. You just go and see your payment, find your payment, and then modify it. You can make the payment on the same day. The cons for that, you cannot make two payments within 24 hours. Let's say you made a payment and then you figure out like you have to pay extra. You have to wait 24 hours before you can make a second payment. And payments take up to 2 business days. Business are not allowed to use this method. Only individuals can. Well, and when I say business, that means, you know, corporations in general, because if it's like with your social security, then you can still use this method because it's going to be individual method. Payment using international bank account is not allowed unless it has a US affiliate. So if you live abroad or you live here but you want to use international bank account, you won't be able to use this unless your bank have a branch here, like Citibank. They have it overseas and it's here also. So you might be able to use your international accounts in this case.